Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 139,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.